Prague is set to gain another interesting long-haul connection this year. A new Taiwanese airline, STARLUX Airlines, is heading to the Czech capital. And this is not just another new carrier at Ruzyně Airport. This route will be their very first destination in Europe. That alone makes it a significant milestone and a prestigious moment for Prague. STARLUX's expansion into Europe has been discussed for quite some time. The turning point came at the beginning of January 2026, when the airline announced plans to launch its first European routes in the second half of the year. The final confirmation arrived on February 4th, 2026, when Prague was officially announced as the first European destination. Flights will begin on August 1st, 2026. Initially, the route will operate 3 times per week, with departures from Taipei on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Starting in October 2026, STARLUX plans to add a 4th frequency on Mondays. Even the flight number to Prague is quite stylish. The route will be operated as JX101. Is it a coincidence or a clever marketing reference to the famous Taipei 101 Tower, which was the tallest building in the world between 2005 and 2009? From Taipei's main international airport, coded TPE, Flight 101 will depart 10 minutes after midnight and arrive in Prague after approximately 13 to 14 hours at 7:50. In the opposite direction, the return flight will operate as JX102, departing Prague at 10:20 and arriving in Taipei at 5:10 the following day. For Prague, this also strengthens the existing connection to Taipei, which was launched 3 years ago in 2023 by another Taiwanese carrier, China Airlines. But who exactly are STARLUX Airlines? It is a relatively young airline from Taiwan, founded in January 2020. Despite its short history, it has quickly built a reputation as a premium carrier. From its base in Taipei, it serves destinations across Northeast and Southeast Asia and is expanding its long-haul network to the United States. According to official materials, the airline operates 24 Asian routes and several destinations in the U.S., including Los Angeles, San Francisco, Seattle, Ontario, and Phoenix. Prague now opens a completely new chapter as their first regular destination in Europe. From the very beginning, STARLUX has positioned itself as a luxury, high-quality airline. Prague Airport also highlights that the carrier focuses on a top-tier customer experience both in the air and on the ground, with cabins designed in collaboration with BMW Design Works and catering inspired by Michelin-starred restaurants. In other words, STARLUX is not trying to be just another standard airline. Compared to most European competitors, it aims to stand clearly above the rest. So, what can passengers expect on board? The Prague route will be operated by an Airbus A350-900 in a 4-class configuration, offering a total of 306 seats. This includes 4 seats in first class, 26 fully flat private suites in business class in a 1-2-1 layout, 36 premium economy seats with extra legroom in a 242 configuration, and 240 seats in economy class arranged 333. Premium economy, which is still relatively new for passengers traveling to and from Prague, is expected to offer a noticeably higher level of service compared to standard economy. Naturally, every seat will feature a personal entertainment screen with a wide range of content. Pricing is, of course, another interesting topic. Fares will vary depending on demand and travel dates, and with the ongoing fuel crisis affecting aviation worldwide, it is difficult to predict where prices will stabilize. At the moment, a return ticket from Prague to Taipei can be purchased for around $920 in economy class. However, a monthly fare overview already shows that many tickets at this price have been sold out or are not yet available. For more demanding travelers, or those with access to a very generous bank loan, a return first-class ticket in October 2026 will cost approximately $12,250. And for those who simply want a great story for Instagram, business class return tickets can be found from around $4,850. It is important to note that prices may change significantly depending on the ongoing fuel situation across the aviation industry. For Prague Airport, this is without a doubt a very interesting development, not only because of the long-haul connection itself, but also because a globally recognized premium brand is entering the market. And honestly, for aviation enthusiasts, the arrival of STARLUX in Prague is exactly the kind of moment you want to experience in person. Hopefully, we will be there too. And who knows, maybe this video will be exceptionally successful. All it takes is about 5 million views. That would roughly cover the cost of a first-class ticket with STARLUX. I'm flyRosta, and I'll see you in the next video.